friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take a good video by going for higher resolution like 4K, and how you can just setting your in your iPhone 13. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. Friends, you can see there is a option HD, 4K, 720, HD, 3060, 24 pixels. You can just choose it here also. If it is not showing there or you can't just change it, then swipe down, go to settings and open here camera. Here it is in settings, swipe down, you can see, and here it is a record video option. You can choose it from here also, like this. And also set record in which slow motion video, 1080 pixel and 120 fps, or 1080 pixel HD at 250 fps. So you can just select this. You can change setting by there also. If you have no setting on your camera, you can set it in the settings also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks video. See you next time.